Well, hello. I'm coming from my living room at home in the future. I didn't get anything recorded before our trip out to the cabin a couple of weeks ago. My buddy and I went out there to see if there was any elk left running around. So this video is going to be real short because I'll warn you ahead of time, there were no elk. We did get to see a lot of deer, and I put those into the video along with our normal trail cam videos, but this time I got a new toy. So it's gonna make it a lot easier for us to get in and out of the cabin, but more importantly, the safety ramifications of it are huge. It's a new, really old used snowmobile. It's an old Arctic Cat 340 Free Air from 1996, but you'll see here in a little bit, it runs really, really well. So this is more about seeing some deer, looking at the beautiful terrain of Colorado in the winter and what it's like to hunt elk on the winter solstice on the shortest day of the year. So hopefully you enjoy it. It's going to be short, but it was a heck of a lot of fun that weekend, and enjoy my new snowmobile. Or should I say snow machine for you people from the Great White North. Those are really 3 healthy deer.
If I told you it was 35 degrees out, would you believe me?
Yeah.
It feels warmer than 35.
Well, there you have it. Quick little tour around the properties in the snow and see what it's like out there and how easy it was to get in and out now that we've got that little snow machine to help us out with it. So hopefully I'll be going out again this coming weekend, and we're going to work on some other things. For example, milling some wood now. I got myself a chainsaw that hopefully will work great for that. So we'll see how the next weekend goes. But thanks again for watching. And remember, do it yourself.